Hey there, and welcome to SmarterPractice.ai. My name is Sam, and I am so excited to help you get started. Look, in just the next few minutes, we're going to walk through a super quick setup so you can start transforming your practice, like today. Let's dive right in.
So, this quote right here, it's probably the best way to think about what you have now. You can imagine the core ChatGPT engine as, the operating system on your computer. But SmarterPractice.ai, well, we give you the applications on top of it, the ones you actually need to run a modern dental practice. So what you're getting isn't just some generic AI. No way. It's a specialized toolkit built from the ground up just for your world.
And let's be clear, you are building on a really professional-grade foundation here. Right out of the gate, your account is enterprise level. But here's the most important part. It is HIPAA-compliant by default. You don't have to do a thing, you don't have to configure anything. That peace of mind is it's built right in. So you know you have a secure, professional platform for your practice from day one.
Okay, so let's get you up and running. We've broken this down into just a few super simple, totally manageable steps, and we're going to walk through them together right now. All right, here's the game plan. It's a quick 4-step checklist. First, we're going to find and accept your invitation. Then, you'll finish a quick enrollment. After that, and this is a big one, we'll personalize your account to get way better results. And finally, we'll get you set up on the mobile app. See? It's that simple. Okay, first things first, step 1. I want you to head over to your email inbox and look for a very specific email. It's going to be from OpenAI, and the email address will be exactly this, noreply@tm.openai.com. The subject line will have the word SmarterPractice.ai in it. So go ahead and find that email, click the Join Workspace button, and I'll see you in a second for the next step.
All right, once you're logged in and all enrolled, it's time for personalization. And trust me, this step is a total game changer. Take a look at your screen. Way down in the bottom left corner, you should see your name. Go ahead and click on it. A little menu will pop up, and from there, I want you to select Custom Instructions.
Okay, so inside those custom instructions, you're going to see a section called More About You. The best way to think about this is like you're hiring a new assistant. What would you tell them on their first day? Tell the AI about your business goals. Are you all about profitability, or maybe team training, or patient communication? What's your tone? Are you formal, super patient-friendly? Do you like things to be concise? Filling this part out is absolutely crucial because it teaches the AI to sound just like your practice from the very first thing you ask it to do. And for our last setup step, let's get you mobile. Just grab your phone, go to the App Store, whether it's for iOS or Android, and search for the official ChatGPT app. Download that. Now, here's the key. When you sign in, make sure you use the exact same email and password you just set up for your SmarterPractice.ai workspace. That way, everything syncs up perfectly and you can, start an idea at your desk and finish it while you're on the go.
Okay, you did it. You are all set up. So now it's time to meet the real powerhouse of your account. We're talking about your custom GPTs. Remember those specialized applications we talked about at the beginning? Well, this is them.
So you're probably looking at the screen right now, the standard ChatGPT screen, and thinking, okay, so where's the magic? Where are all the dental tools you promised me? And that is a fantastic question. Don't worry, they're just a couple of clicks away.
Here's exactly how you find them. Look over on the left-hand menu. See the word GPTs? It's right next to a little icon with 4 dots. Go ahead and click that. Boom. You should now see a section just for us, titled Popular at SmarterPractice.ai. And here's a little pro tip for you. Open each one of those GPTs just once. That's all it takes. It'll automatically add it to your main sidebar, which means all your best tools will always be right there, just one click away.
And wow, what a lineup of AI assistants you have. Are you trying to fight a denied insurance claim? Bam! The PPO Power Negotiator is your new best friend. Thinking about hiring a new team member? The Staffing and HR Coach has your back with everything from job descriptions to onboarding plans. Or maybe you just need the perfect words to explain a case to a patient. The Chairside Clinical Companion is ready to go. Seriously, each one of these is like having a dedicated expert on staff for every part of your practice.
So you might be wondering, what's actually powering these AI assistants? Well, that number, over 1,000 pages. That's how much curated practice management research, clinical handbooks, and expert case studies we have literally distilled directly into these tools for you. So what does that mean? It means you're not just getting artificial intelligence, you're getting decades of real-world industry wisdom, available on demand 24/7. Okay, so chatting with your AI experts is amazing. But what happens when you need to create something more permanent? Like a standard operating procedure, or maybe a patient handout? Well, for that, you've got Canvas. Think of it as your document co-pilot. So, when do you use a regular chat versus when do you use Canvas? It's pretty simple, actually. Use the chat for all the quick stuff, fast questions, brainstorming ideas, getting a quick answer. But when you want to create and actually save that knowledge for the long term, we're talking SOPs, new office policies, training guides. That is when you bring in Canvas.
And you won't believe how easy it is to use. When you're in the middle of a chat, just look at the top of the screen and click the Open in Canvas button. Just like that, your whole conversation instantly turns into an editable document. From there, you can format it, you can ask the AI to rewrite a certain section, and when it's perfect, you can download it as a PDF, a Word doc, whatever you need. It's the absolute best way to capture and standardize all of your practice's knowledge.
So, there you have it. You've got all the tools you need to hit the ground running. But honestly, this is just the beginning. Our goal is to help you grow your AI skills over time so you can truly master this new partner you have in your practice.
And to help guide you on that journey, we actually developed a framework around 5 distinct levels of AI mastery. The best way to think of this is like a roadmap. It's a path designed to take you from a total beginner all the way to a power user, unlocking more and more value for your practice every step of the way.
It all starts at level 1, which is just using the AI to beat that dreaded blank page problem when you need a first draft. But from there, you'll start upgrading your existing work. Then you'll use it for decision support. And eventually, you'll get all the way to level 5, where you're weaving AI into these really complex multi-step workflows. Each level just builds on the last, adding some seriously powerful new skills to your toolbox. Now, we're not going to do a deep dive into all 5 levels right now, but you can find a whole playbook that explains every single one on the SmarterPractice.ai website. It's a fantastic resource to check out when you feel like you're ready to take that next step.
So there it is. You are set up. You know where to find your tools, and you've got a clear path to mastery. Your new AI partner is officially clocked in and ready for its first day on the job. So really the only question left is, what are you going to build first?
Hey, thank you so much for walking through this setup with me. Seriously, if any questions pop up along the way, please do not hesitate to reach out. We're at care@SmarterPractice.ai. We are genuinely here to help you succeed. Welcome to the team. Welcome to SmarterPractice AI.